Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello Miss Suci, my introduction myself. My name is Mila Chaini Putri. My name 642401225. I'm from management 64 1D 37. My video number 1. Maybe I will discussion section C, where Prabowo becomes the new president in 2024. The first video advertisement is the discussion the name of Mr. Prabowo is becoming in 2024. Why do you more Indonesia choose Mr. Prabowo as president? Because of Mr. Prabowo military background, people will be interested in how handles defense and security issue both domestically and with neighbor countries. Secondly, he has a lot for support from strong political parties. Many people see Mr. Prabowo as a strong figure. Additionally, Mr. Prabowo has run for office several times before, which has made him a widely recognized figure society. Perhaps there are many fictions and missions that make the people of Indonesia prefer Mr. Prabowo over Mr. Anies Baswedan. The next discussion explains why Mr. Prabowo chose Mr. Gibran Rakabuming. His running made due to several strategic reasons. Perhaps one of the factors is support from Mr. Jokowi's family. Even though Mr. Prabowo and Mr. Gibran have now been officially inaugurated as president and vice president, there are some criticism or negative view and several aspects that might spark debate and concern, namely: number 1, background and human rights issue. Number 2, authoritarian leadership style. Number 3, connect with the oligarchic elite. Negative perception of Mr. Gibran Rakabuming include: number 1, lack of political experience. Number 2, young age of clear vision. Number 3, dependent of Mr. Jokowi popularity. The leadership of Mr. Prabowo and Mr. Gibran offers new hope for Indonesian nation, with the hope of bringing innovation and progress to the Indonesian nation in various sectors. The public hope that then can fulfill their campaign promise. Keep a balance between tradition and modern life, bringing of Indonesian together to challenge. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello Miss, my self introduction. My name is Mila Chaini Putri. My name 642401225. Management major class 64 1D 37. The question word are words used to ask question and obtain further information. Definition: question words are words used to ask question. Function: helps to obtain specific information. Why is important? Clarifies communication, help in language learning. And the type of question word: number 1, when; 2, what; 3, where. The question word continues. Number 1, when; 2, how; and 3, why. Use example: what. What is your name? Using what to ask for information. Use example where. Where do you live? Using where for location. Use example when. When is your birthday? Using when for time. When did you come? When is the deadline to assessment? Using example who. Who is your friend? Using who a person. Satya, who speaks on the TV, is my friend. Example why. Why are you studying English? Using why for reason. Why do you leave me? Using example who. Who did that? Using how for method. How does the machine work? Mistake. Using the wrong question word of the text context. Example, using how when it's dissolved be what? Incorrect. How do you like this movie? Correct. What do you think of this movie? Tips to avoid mistake. Number 1. Understand the context. Make sure you know that information you need before choosing a question word. Number 2. Practice regularly. Engage in conversation or exercise the inflow asking question. Number 3. Learn the difference. Familiarize yourself with the specific use of each question word. What vs which. And number 4, ask for clarification. If unsure, ask order for their interpretation of feedback on your question. And number 5, review example. Look at example to see how question words are used correctly in different contexts. Using question word in conversation. Lina, where are you going this weekend? Mira, I'm going to the beach. How about you? Example number 2. Reza, how long will you stay? Adit, I stay for 2 days. The important question of words. Use and understand in communication. This is important because the word because can affect how message are received, interpreted, and understood by others. Choosing the right word can influence proportions, evoke emotion, and create deeper and understand. The impact of word choice communication. Example, Husina's communication. Situation: a company is addressing customer about the fake product. Effective word choice. For example, the company says we apologize for the inconvenience and will promptly replace your product. Outcome: the customer feels valued, satisfied with the service, and I like to remain loyal the company. The impact of word choice communication. Example, Husina's communication. Situation: a company is addressing customer about the fake product. Effective word choice. For example, the company says we apologize for the inconvenience and will promptly replace your product. Outcome: the customer feels valued, satisfied with the service, and I like to remain loyal the company. Conclusion. Importance. Using the correct question word is crucial for clear communication and understanding. Practice. Regular practice and familiarity with different contexts will help avoid mistake and improve language skills. You can enhance your conversation abilities and ability seek information of various situations.